Hi, I'm James Nash from Six Ranch Outfitters, and I've teamed up with some of the brands that I work with to give you a really sweet giveaway. Starting with the decked drawer system. This is what keeps my life organized and keeps all the gear that I need with me on a regular basis out of my back seat and safe and out of the weather. Also from Sig Sauer, I have the Cross Rifle with a Tango 6 3-18 scope on it. This is the scope that I compete and hunt with. I love it. Also have the P220 10mm pistol. When I'm guiding or when I'm in the backcountry where there might be predators, I carry this pistol with me every day. It's a great gun. In addition to that, we have the Oscar 8 spotting scope and the Kilo 3000 range finding binoculars. With this optic system, I can overcome just about any hunting scenario. We also have the altitude setup from Cryptek. This is the cold and wet weather system, and it's going to help you out on all of those late season hunts. We have the 4800 from EXO Mountain Gear. This is the pack that I guide in and what I carry when I'm hunting. It's a great pack if you're going to be on a 3 or a 4 day backcountry trip. And then lastly, we have a Ranger pellet grill from Traeger. Now this is the grill that I carry when I'm on my jet boat, when I'm going to elk camp. Whenever I need a portable grill, this is the one that I take with me. All these things are the stuff that I actually use on a daily basis. And they're the things that I can tell you work very well for me, and I'm excited to congratulate the winner of this contest. Just look at the caption and follow the rules for how to enter.